This rather lovely 19th century parlour guitar has come into the workshop for, as you can see, repair of a neck break. It is in remarkably good condition, rosewood back and size, spruce top. How do I know it's 19th century? Well, on the neck is a little plaque that says Geo to Lulu 1865. Now the Lulu there, I understand from the owners of this guitar, is Lulu Sweet, who was a popular singer and entertainer working on the western side of America around about that time. And so I guess this guitar was given to her as a gift by Geo. I think the instrument has had some repairs done to it at some point. What I can see is some crack lines along the back and on the front, and some cleats have been applied to those crack lines. So my guess is, I could be wrong about this, but my guess is this guitar has been taken apart, cleats applied to both front and back. It was quite difficult to apply the cleats to the front without taking the guitar apart. And then once that's been done, the instrument has been refinished. But it's been done, if it has been refinished, been done extremely well. Why is the neck broken? Well, the heel of acoustic guitars are generally made up of 2 or 3 pieces of timber that are stacked together, and then the heel is carved. And I think what's happened is this glue line here has just dried out and failed, and under the tension of the strings the neck has just popped forward, and in doing so just broken off a little piece of the fretboard as well. But it does leave a very clean break, which means that as I take off the old glue and apply some new glue, that I'm going to get good contact between this, the two parts of this broken neck. Once the neck is back on the guitar, well, there is a little piece of wood that has just broken off from the heel there, so I'm just going to have to fashion that and insert a new piece of wood. And then once that's done, I will then just sort of touch up around the crack line and just try and make the repair as invisible as possible. But yes, I'm looking forward to working on this instrument and getting the strings on and seeing what an 1865 or thereabouts, it was given in 1865, so not quite sure when the instrument was actually made, but it's maybe sort of 1860, so it's not often I get to work on an instrument of this age, so I'm keen to hear what it sounds like and have a play with it. So here I am in 2019 playing this guitar that was made probably in the west coast of America around about 1860, was given to Lulu Sweet in 1865, and here I am 150 years on playing this guitar. Its life and its history has come down, you know, through the generations, and yeah, it's just a joy for me to be playing this now. As for the neck break, well, I'm really struggling to see, you know, where that neck break was, and I know where it broke. So I'm really pleased with how this job has gone, and you know, hopefully good for another 150 years if someone, you know, looks after this guitar and takes care of it. Maybe it'll last that long. So Lulu Sweet, here's your guitar, still going strong. And it's just been a joy for me to be part of the life and the history of this wonderful 1860 or so parlour guitar.